And who knows when we'll be all together again, singing all together again. We're here. We're all together again. We're here. We're here. We're all together again. We're here. We're here. And who knows when we'll be all together again, singing all together again. We're here.
Michael, so you guys move over this way. Move over one. Michael, give him space. Another dragon. What about Victor?
This is not.
Explain what we're gonna do.
So we're gonna do our roses and thorns, right? So say one up to the camp out and one down to the camp out, right? Starting from here, going that way.
Speak up so people can hear you.
So one up I have in camp out was getting a chance to fish and catching a lot of fish. It was really nice seeing people who are like not experienced, like try different things and get the opportunity to fish. That's pretty good. One down I would have is that we didn't have like a designated like restroom kind of. We had to like make our own, and I felt that wasn't that good.
My roles is being able to listen to music while I was fishing. For the first half, caught a good amount of fish, and for the second half there was like no fish being caught at all. And then I started listening to my music, and then I felt a lot better because I was already like tired. And then my thorn would be getting a sunburn because I fell asleep on the rock.
My up would be catching all the fishes, a lot of fishes I mean, and spending time with my friends. And one down would probably be the sun glaring on us or the restroom situation.
My up was fishing and.
What about it?
Huh? Being able to fish, and then the down was the restroom.
What was so great about being able to fish, man?
Being able to catch fish.
We're all together again. We're here.